Hey! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based diets and how they can truly transform your health and well-being. Let's kick things off with a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that embracing a plant-based diet can not only enhance your overall health but also potentially increase your lifespan by up to 10 years? That's right, the power of plants is real. So, what exactly is a plant-based diet? It's all about consuming predominantly whole, unrefined plant foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These foods are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients that nourish your body from the inside out. Making the switch to a plant-based diet can be a game changer, but it's not without its challenges. One common hurdle is the lack of knowledge about plant-based alternatives and concerns about meeting protein requirements. However, fear not, because we're here to guide you through this journey. As we venture into the world of plant-based eating, let's explore the incredible variety of foods available to us. From vibrant berries to hearty lentils, the options are endless. These plant-powered foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, providing everything your body needs to thrive. Now, here comes the exciting part. The benefits of a plant-based diet are truly remarkable. Imagine improved digestion, increased energy levels, effective weight management, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Plus, many people report glowing skin and better mood, all from eating more plants. In summary, nourishing your body with plant power through a plant-based diet is a surefire way to elevate your overall health and well-being. So, why not give it a try and experience the transformative effects for yourself? Before we wrap up, we want to encourage you to take a step towards a more plant-centric lifestyle. Try incorporating more plant-based meals into your daily routine and don't forget to share your experiences with us in the comments below. Together, let's embrace the power of plants for a healthier, happier life. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Remember, eat your greens and stay vibrant. And don't forget to check the link in the description for some exclusive plant-based recipes that will kickstart your journey to a healthier you.